ئەم باش بەخێر بن بۆ چانێڵی Learn&Explore. لەم ڤیدیۆیەدا باسی بەشی دووەمی چاپتەری چوارەمی کتێبی The Adventures of Tom Sawyer ئەکەین و لە ڤیدیۆی پێشتر باسی ئەومان کرد کە ڕۆشتن بۆ دوورگەی جاکسن و لە کاتێکدا کە دانیشتبوون بە دەوری ئاگرەکەدا تۆم گوێی لە دەنگێک بوو یاخود وای ئەزانی کە گوێی لە دەنگێکە و لەوێدا کۆتاییمان پێهێنا و ئێستش درێژە بە چیرۆکەکەمان ئەدەین و بابزانین ئەو دەنگە چی بوو. Let's go and see, said Hug. واتە هەکوتی Let's go and see. با بڕۆین و بیبینین. They ran to the river. They ran to the river. واتە ڕایان کرد بۆ ڕووبارەکە. They saw a steamboat and a lot of small boats near it. They saw a steamboat and a lot of small boats near it. واتە کەشتیەکی هەڵمیان بینی یاخود بەلەمێکی هەڵمیان بینی و چەندین بەلەمی بچووکی تریش لە نزیکیدا. Every boat from St. Petersburg is out on the river, said Joe. واتە Joe وتی Every boat from St. Petersburg is out on the river. واتە هەموو بەلەمەکانی St. Petersburg لەناو ئاوەکەدان یاخود لەناو ڕووبارەکەدان. What is happening? What is happening? واتە چی ڕوو ئەدات؟ They are looking for a dead body, said Huck. واتە Huck وتی They are looking for a dead body. بەدوای جەستەیەکی مردووە ئەگەڕن. The same thing happened last summer when Bill Turner fell into the river and drowned. The same thing happened last summer. واتە هەمان شت هاوینی پێشوو ڕوویدا. The same thing happened last summer when Bill Turner, کاتێک کە Bill Turner fell into the river, کەوتە ناو ڕووبارەکە and drowned و خنکا. مەبەست لەوەیە کە هەمان شت ڕوویاوە کاتێک ئەو Bill Turner کەوتە ناو ڕووبارەکە و خنکاوە. Who are they looking for this time? asked Joe. واتە Joe پرسیاری کرد Who are they looking for this time? واتە ئەم جارە بۆ کێ ئەگەڕن؟ Tom thought for a moment and said واتە Tom بۆ ماوەیەک یاخود بۆ ساتێک بیری کردەوە وتی I know. It's us. They think we drowned. ئەزانم. I know واتە ئەزانم. مەبەست لەوەیە کە ئەزانێت بۆ کێ ئەگەڕن. It's us. واتە ئەوە ئێمەین. مەبەست لەوەیە کە بۆ ئێمە ئەگەڕن. They think we drowned. وا ئەزانن کە خنکاوین. The three boys felt like heroes and laughed. سێ کوڕەکە the three boys felt like heroes هەستیان ئەکرد کە وەکو قارەمانوان hero واتە قارەمان and laughed و پێکەنین. The people of St. Petersburg are looking for us. They are talking about us. We're famous, said Tom happily. واتە Tom بەدڵخۆشیەوە وتی The people of St. Petersburg are looking for us. واتە خەڵکی St. Petersburg بۆ ئێمە ئەگەڕن. They are talking about us. واتە باسمان ئەکەن. We are famous. ئێمە بەناوبانگین. Famous واتە بەناوبانگ. This was an exciting adventure for Tom, Huck, and Joe. This was an exciting adventure for Tom, Huck, and Joe. واتە ئەمە سەرکەشییەکی خۆش بوو بۆ Tom و Huck و Joe. They felt like real pirates on Jackson's Island. They felt like real pirates on Jackson's Island. واتە وا هەستیانە کرد کە چەتەی ڕاستەقینەی دەریان لەسەر دوورگەی Jackson. The boats and the steamboat went away. The boats and the steamboat went away. واتە بەلەمەکان و بەلەمە هەڵمەکە یاخود بەلەمە هەڵمینەکە ڕۆشتن. The boys were fishing again and had fish for dinner. The boys went fishing again واتە کوڕەکان ڕۆشتنەوە بۆ ماسیگرتن جارێکی دیکە and had fish for dinner و ماسیان هەبوو بۆ نانی ئێوارە. Dinner واتە نانی ئێوارە. Then they slept under the stars. Then they slept under the stars. واتە پاشان لەژێر ئەستێرەکاندا نووستن. But Tom could not sleep. بەڵام Tom نەیتوانی بنوێت. The next morning he was not there. The next morning he was not there. واتە بەیانی داهاتوو he was not there. ئەو لەوێ نەبوو. Where is Tom? asked Joe. واتە Joe پرسیاری کرد Where is Tom? واتە Tom لەکوێیە؟ I don't know, said Huck. واتە Huck وتی I don't know. واتە نازانم. After a few minutes, Huck said, دوای چەند خولەکێک Huck وتی Look, Tom is swimming in the river. He's coming to the island. واتە سیرکە. Look واتە سیرکە. Tom is swimming in the river. Tom لە ڕووبارەکەدا مەلە ئەکات. He is coming to the island. بەرەو دوورگەکە دێت. Tom told them his story. واتە Tom چیرۆکەکەی خۆی پێوتن. Story واتە چیرۆک. Last night I couldn't sleep. I thought about Aunt Polly. So I went home, but no one saw me. I saw Aunt Polly and your mother, Joe. Poor Aunt Polly cried a lot. And your mother was very sad too. Everyone think we're dead. I heard some interesting things. واتە شەوی پێشوو نەمتوانی بنووم. Last night I could not sleep. شەوی پێشوو نەمتوانی بنووم. I thought about Aunt Polly. واتە بیرم لە پورە پۆلی ئەکردەوە. So I went home, but no one saw me. بۆیە ڕۆشتم بۆ ماڵەوە, but no one saw me. بەڵام کەس نەیبینیم. I saw Aunt Polly and your mother, Joe. واتە پورە پۆلیم بینی and your mother, Joe. واتە و دایکی تۆش Joe. مەبەست لەوەیە کە دایکی جۆشی بینیوە. Poor Aunt Polly cried a lot. واتە پورە پۆلی داما و cried a lot. زۆر ئەگریا یاخود زۆر گریا. And your mother was very sad too. و دایکی تۆش زۆر خەمبار بوو. Everyone think we are dead. هەموو خەڵک وا ئەزانێت ئێمە مردووین. I heard some interesting things. گوێم لە هەندێک شتی خۆشەوە بوو. What did you hear? asked Huck. واتە Huck پرسیاری کرد. What did you hear? واتە گوێت لە چی بوو؟ Well, there will be a funeral for us on Sunday at the church, said Tom. واتە Tom وتی There will be a funeral for us on Sunday at the church. یەکشەممە تەعزیەیەکمان بۆ دائەنێن لە کەنیسەکە. There will be a funeral واتە تەعزیەیەک ئەبێت for us بۆ ئێمە on Sunday at the church. ڕۆژی یەکشەممە لە کەنیسەکە. بەڵام هەر لای خۆمان بەم نوعە ئەڵێن. ئەڵێن ڕۆژی یەکشەممە تەعزیەیەکیان بۆ دائەنێن لە کەنیسەکە. Funeral واتە تەعزیە. Huck and Joe looked at him with big eyes. Huck و Joe looked at him سەیریان کرد with big eyes بە چاوی گەورە. مەبەست لەوەیە کە چاویان زاق کردوتەوە و بەم هەواڵەی تۆم زۆر سەرسام بوون. And now I have a great idea. Listen. تۆم وتی و ئێستا I have a great idea. واتە بیرۆکەیەکی زۆر عەجیبم هەیە یاخود بیرۆکەیەکی زۆر زەخمم هەیە. Listen. گوێ بگرن. Tom told Huck and Joe his great idea. واتە Tom بیرۆکە نایابەکەی بە Joe Huck وت. They liked it and laughed. واتە حەزیان لێ کرد و پێکەنین. Sunday was the day of the funeral. Sunday was the day of the funeral. واتە یەکشەممە ڕۆژی تەعزیەکە بوو. There were no happy faces in St. Petersburg. واتە هیچ دەموچاوێکی دڵخۆش نەبوو لە St. Petersburgە. مەبەست لەوەیە کە هەموو خەڵکەکە دڵتەنگ بوون. Everyone in the village was in the small church. واتە هەموو خەڵکی لادێکە لە کەنیسە بچووکەکەدا بوون. Aunt Polly, Sid, Mary, and Joe Harper's family were all dressed in black. پورە پۆلی، Sid, Mary, کە ئەمان ئەم دوانە خوشکوبرای تۆمن، and Joe Harper's family و خێزانەکەی Joe Harper were all dressed in black. هەمویان جلی ڕەشیان لەبەر کردبوو. The Reverend said many kind words about the three boys. واتە پیاوە ئاینیەکە said many kind words about the three boys. چەندین شتی میهرەبانانەی دەربارەی سێ کوڕەکە وت. مەبەست لەوەیە کە بۆ ئەوەی دایک و باوکیان یاخود خێزانەکانیان خەمبار نەبن هەنێک شتی باس کردو بۆ ئەوەی کە خەمبارەکەیان نەمێنێت. The boys' families cried and cried. واتە خێزانەکانی کوڕەکان cried and cried. گریان و گریان. یعنی زۆر زۆر گریان. Becky Thatcher cried. Becky Thatcher گریا. Everyone cried a lot. هەموو خەڵک زۆر گریا. Suddenly, there was a noise at the church door. واتە لە ناکاو there was a noise دەنگێک هەبوو at the church door لە دەرگای کەنیسەکەیە. The reverend looked up and stopped speaking. واتە پیاوە ئاینەکە سەیری سەرەوەی کرد و لە قسەکردن وەستا. Everyone in the church turned around and looked. هەموو خەڵکی ناو کەنیسەکە turned around واتە ئاوڕێندایەوە and looked و سەیریان کرد. Their mouths opened واتە دەمیان کرایەوە. مەبەست لەوەیە کە سەریان سوڕما. The three dead boys slowly walked into the church. واتە سێ کوڕە مردووەکە slowly walked into the church. بەهێواشی هاتنە ناو کەنیسەکەوە. Tom was first, then Joe, and then Huck. Tom یەکەم کەس بوو، پاشان Joe, and then Huck, پاشان Huck. There was a great silence for a moment. واتە بێدەنگیەکی گەورە بۆ چەند ساتێک هەبوو. Then Aunt Polly, Mary, and Joe's mother ran to the boys. پاشان پورە پۆلی، Mary و Joe's mother, دایکی Joe, ran to the boys. ڕای کرد بۆ کوڕەکان. They kissed Tom and Joe. They kissed Tom and Joe. ماچی تۆم و جۆیان کرد. Aunt Polly cried and then she laughed. پورە پۆلی گریا و پاشان پێکەنی. Poor Huck did not know what to do. واتە هەکی داما و نەیزانی چی بکات. No one kissed him. کەس ماچی نەکرد. He started moving away, but Tom stopped him. He started moving away. دەستی کرد بەوەی کە دوور بکەوێتەوە. But Tom stopped him. بەڵام تۆم وەساندی. مەبەست لەوەیە کە زانیوێتی کەس ناچێ بەلایە بۆیە ئەویش ویستوێتی کە بڕوات. Aunt Polly, it's not right. Somebody must be happy to see Huck, said Tom. واتە تۆم وتی پورە پۆلی. It's not right. واتە ئەمە ڕاست نییە. Somebody must be happy to see Huck. کەسێک ئەبێت دڵخۆش بێت بە بینینی Huck. لێرەدا وا دیارە کە تۆم پێی ناخۆش بوو کە هەموو خەڵکەکە هەکیان ئێهمال کردەوە کەس ناچێ بەلایە بۆیە ئەم قسەی کرد. Oh, you were right, Tom, cried Aunt Polly and she kissed Huck. واتە پورە پۆلی گریا و ئەم قسەی کرد وتی you are right واتە تۆ ڕاستەکەی and she kissed Huck و ماچی هەکی کرد. Tom was very proud of his great idea. Tom was very proud of his great idea. واتە تۆم زۆر شانازیە کرد بە ئەم بیرۆکە نایابەیەوە. Then the reverend said, پاشان پیاوە ئاینیەکە وتی let us sing and be happy. با گۆرانی بڵێین و دڵخۆش بین. Everybody sang and laughed. هەموو خەڵکەکە گۆرانی وت و پێکەنی. It was a very happy day. ڕۆژێکی زۆر دڵخۆش بوو. مەبەست لەوەیە کە خەڵکەکە هەمویان دڵخۆش بوون. بەم شێوازەش کۆتاییمان بە چاپتەری 4 هێنا. ئەگەر ڤیدیۆکەتان بەدڵ بوو لایکی بکەن و بۆ هاوڕێکانتانی بنێرن و ئەگەر بەدڵتان نەبوو دیزلایکی بکەن و پێمان بڵێن چۆن بتوانین ڤیدیۆکانی داهاتوومان باشتر بکەین. ئێستاش جارێکی دیکە تەنها بە ئینگلیزی گوێبیستی چیرۆکەکە ئەبینەوە و کۆتایی بەوانەکەمان دێن. تاوەکو ڤیدیۆی داهاتوو خواتان لەگەڵ. Chapter 4 Jackson's Island. The next day, everyone knew about poor Dr. Robinson. The sheriff found Muff Potter's knife near the body of the doctor. He put Muff in St. Petersburg's small jail. Tom and Huck looked at each other. We saw Injun Joe kill the doctor, said Tom. Muff didn't kill him. Poor Muff. I know, said Huck, but we must not say anything. Remember, Injun Joe is dangerous, very dangerous. I'm sorry for Muff Potter, too. The two boys were afraid. We must keep the secret, said Tom sadly. Tom could not forget. At night, he had bad dreams about Injun Joe and Muff Potter. He kept the terrible secret, but he was very unhappy. Aunt Polly was worried about him. She gave him a lot of different medicines, but Tom did not feel better. He was unhappy at school too. Becky Thatcher didn't talk to him anymore. No one loves me, thought Tom. What a horrible life. It was now summer and there was no more school. Tom and his friend Joe Harper went to sit by the Mississippi River. They fished, talked, and looked at the boats. One day Tom said, "Let's go do something exciting." "Okay," said Joe, "but where can we go and what can we do?" "Let's run away. We can go and live on Jackson's Island. We can be pirates. A pirate's life is exciting," said Tom. Jackson's Island was a small island in the Mississippi River. It was about 3 miles south of St. Petersburg. No one lived on the island. "Huckleberry Finn can come with us too," said Tom. "Remember, Joe, don't tell your mother, father, or anyone about our adventure. Go home and bring some food. We'll meet here at midnight." Tom and Joe were excited. At midnight, the 3 boys met on the river. Tom brought some meat to eat, Joe brought some bread, and Huck brought a frying pan. They found a small raft and they went down the river to Jackson's Island. When they arrived on the island, they made a fire and cooked some meat. "This is fun," said Joe. "We're free and we can do everything we want," said Tom. "What do pirates do?" asked Huck. "They go on ships and take the money. Then they go to an island and hide it in a secret place," said Tom. The 3 boys were happy and slept under the stars. The next morning, they went swimming in the river. Then they went fishing. They cooked the fish on the fire and ate it. It was delicious. After breakfast, they walked around the island and went swimming again. In the afternoon, they sat around the fire and ate some meat. Suddenly, Tom said, "Can you hear a strange noise? Listen." "What is it?" asked Joe. "Let's go and see," said Huck. They ran to the river. They saw a steamboat and a lot of small boats near it. "Every boat from St. Petersburg is out on the river," said Joe. "What's happening?" "They're looking for a dead body," said Huck. "The same thing happened last summer when Bill Turner fell into the river and drowned." "Who are they looking for this time?" asked Joe. Tom thought for a moment and said, "I know. It's us. They think we drowned." The 3 boys felt like heroes and laughed. "The people of St. Petersburg are looking for us. They're talking about us. We're famous," said Tom happily. This was an exciting adventure for Tom, Huck, and Joe. They felt like real pirates on Jackson's Island. The boats and the steamboat went away. The boys went fishing again and had fish for dinner. Then they slept under the stars. But Tom could not sleep. The next morning he was not there. "Where's Tom?" asked Joe. "I don't know," said Huck. After a few minutes, Huck said, "Look, Tom's swimming in the river. He's coming to the island." Tom told them his story. "Last night, I could not sleep. I thought about Aunt Polly, so I went home but no one saw me. I saw Aunt Polly and your mother, Joe. Poor Aunt Polly cried a lot, and your mother was very sad too. Everyone thinks we're dead. I heard some interesting things." "What did you hear?" asked Huck. "Well, there will be a funeral for us on Sunday at the church," said Tom. Huck and Joe looked at him with big eyes. "And now I have a great idea. Listen." Tom told Huck and Joe his great idea. They liked it and laughed. Sunday was the day of the funeral. There were no happy faces in St. Petersburg. Everyone in the village was in the small church. Aunt Polly, Sid, Mary, and Joe Harper's family were all dressed in black. The reverend said many kind words about the 3 boys. The boys' families cried and cried. Becky Thatcher cried. Everyone cried a lot. Suddenly, there was a noise at the church door. The Reverend looked up and stopped speaking. Everyone in the church turned around and looked. Their mouths opened. The 3 dead boys slowly walked into the church. Tom was first, then Joe, and then Huck. There was a great silence for a moment. Then Aunt Polly, Mary, and Joe's mother ran to the boys. They kissed Tom and Joe. Aunt Polly cried and then she laughed. Poor Huck did not know what to do. No one kissed him. He started moving away, but Tom stopped him. Aunt Polly, it's not right. Somebody must be happy to see Huck, said Tom. Oh, you are right, Tom, cried Aunt Polly, and she kissed Huck. Tom was very proud of his great idea. Then the Reverend said, "Let's sing and be happy." Everybody sang and laughed. It was a very happy day.